Hello everyone, welcome to class. This is Web Design for Business at Western Dakota Tech Spring Semester 2026. I am Dr. Tillis and I will be your instructor for this course. I'm excited to see you in class this semester and I hope that you are excited as well. During this brief video, I will introduce you to some important information. I will discuss the structure and the plan for this course. First and foremost, you should begin by becoming familiar with the structure of this course and ensure that you meet all the computer requirements for this class. It is your responsibility to make sure that your computer works well and you have good internet access and also sufficient space to save your files and documents. So as you log into my WDT, you will notice that you land on a course homepage. Here you will find a welcome letter. Just please read to become familiar with the first set of information, expectations for this course, what this course is all about, and then just slowly navigate to the other tabs. There's more about the course information on the left-hand side. The syllabus and course calendar are also provided. In this class, you will be using Dreamweaver student files folder, and for each chapter, basically, you will have to complete a project, and there's a set of files in this folder here. You will notice that these files, because they take a lot of space, are formatted in a zip format. Just make sure before you use them that you right click to, well, first you download and then you right click to unzip or expand so you can then use these files as appropriate. So I provided a video in one of the tabs here, but just so you know, it's not difficult. You just download, save it on a computer, and then right click and expand all files. That's all there is. All right, and then on the coursework tab, you will see the assignments due and the due dates. Please note that I will not accept late assignments in this class, so unless you call me ahead of time and make special arrangements. If you have disabilities, please reach out to the office and submit your form. Okay, so you see that for the first few chapters, the assignments are already posted. However, this course is structured to move gradually, so not all the assignments will be available at the same time. Then you have the attendance tab. Western Dakota Tech does require us to take attendance during the census day, the first 10 day of your semester. We will take attendance daily. That does not mean that you have to participate in the course every day, but you have to submit either an assignment or participate in a discussion at least once a week, once or twice, I would say. That is when you will receive an attendance credit. Just logging in will not qualify you for attendance credit. So just make sure that if you log in, you participate in an activity or submit an assignment. Okay, then you will see there's an introduction module. So once you review the information on the course homepage, you go to the introduction module, and this is where I will be posting the video once it's completed. You will see a discussion forum. This will qualify for attendance credit during the first week. And then also you will see on right hand side, there are your assignments for that week, the first week. So just make sure you click on each and complete the assignment. I recommend that you acquire the textbook as soon as possible because we will dive in quite fast. The second week you will begin working on course materials, and that is the interface module. You will need the Adobe Dreamweaver, the Professional Portfolio 2025 edition textbook. Okay, you can get it from the bookstore or online. Against the Clock is the platform. Once you get the textbook, please register there, because there will be assignments provided. So you're going to have to be registered on that website to watch the specific videos for each chapter. All right, and once you watch the videos, then I will monitor your activity and provide credit. Your grade will be transferred into my WDT. So you do not have to submit any assignments on that platform. You just have to watch the videos, and once you watch these videos, I will know, you will be marked as complete, activity completed, and then I will provide that, I will write that grade in my WDT. Okay, so just make sure you get that textbook as soon as possible. All right, and then there will be a final project in this class. And so I opened this from the beginning to give you sufficient time to learn about it. It may seem complex at the moment because you haven't really learned yet anything about Dreamweaver, but once you begin learning about it, it will start to make more sense. You can familiarize yourself with the content and the expectations for this final project. I put pretty detailed information here. So just go ahead and read, but don't panic. I will be here to help you through. And also, as I said, once you start learning and completing each chapter, you will see that things will start to make sense. Also, this final project is not going to be due all at once at the end of the semester. You will work through it in different phases. So there will be 2 drafts and then 1 final submission, just to help you with the content. It'll give you an opportunity for you to receive feedback from me on the different stages of your final project. So I am here. I will help you through. Don't panic. Dreamweaver might come across difficult in the beginning just because of the language. We will use CSS language, so it may be seem a little bit technical, but trust me, you will learn and you will be able to create your final project. Okay, so this is all. I hope you are excited to begin this course, and just feel free to reach out if you have any questions. See you in class.